What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to watch Disney Plus from anywhere in the world. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In most cases, you don't have the right IP address in order to enjoy movies on Disney Plus, as the country you are living in is restricting access to the streaming service. To bypass this issue, you'll have to make use of a VPN service. There is a plethora of VPN services out there, and I suggest using a premium VPN service, such as Privado VPN. Click on the first link in the description to get to this page. Here, simply sign up to use the VPN service. This step should only take a minute to complete. With Privado VPN, you don't have to worry about geo-blocking from streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and so on. They can all be accessed from anywhere in the world by choosing a server located in the region you want to unlock. On the Privado website, under Software, you'll be able to download the Mac or Windows version. You'll also be able to use the same account on your Android or iOS device using their mobile application. After downloading and installing the application, you should see it open up in your system tray. Here, select the server from the list and click on Connect in order to connect to the selected server. To watch Disney Plus, I suggest choosing a server from the US. You can access additional settings when tapping on this burger menu. You should now be able to enjoy Disney Plus from anywhere in the world. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.